Another two-wheeled cruiser here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Good looking touring bike. It's a 2015 Indian Roadmaster. 39,518 miles is all on it at the moment. Has the Thunderstruck V-twin, 111 cubic inches. 6-speed transmission. Kind of an ivory and a deep blue metallic. Nice, rich color combination on this one. Loaded with features too. Just to name a few, has heated grips, heated seat, quick release saddlebags with electric locks, all the chrome and the bright work, ABS brakes. Technician noted the brakes are 90% the front and rear like new. We will start it up, let you hear it run here too. Check this dash out. It's obviously stereo system on it. Here's your exact miles, 39,518. And we are in neutral. Let's go ahead and start this up. Nice sounding, nice throaty rumble. Now I did want to point out, if you didn't notice, there are a few little pebble chips or chips that have been touched up on the front kind of fairings and then the fender up here. Overall though, nice looking bike. Now if you want to see the still pictures, so you'll be able to look at this thing from every angle, a bunch of still pictures on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with the transportation also. 2015 Indian Roadmaster, 39,518 miles. Look forward to hearing from you on this one. 507-386-1726.